Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you guys how to do this outlined ombre liner. I've done an ombre liner before, but I kind of wanted to switch it up with the outline and the sparkles. So if you want to see how to create this look, please keep watching. So my eyes are all set and ready. For this eyeliner look, I'm going to be using Sistar Cosmetics Ultimate Define Gel Eyeliner in white. So I'm just going to draw a line from the inner corner. Next, I'm going to be going in with Sistar Cosmetics Eye Contour Precision Liquid Liner. This is in black. And I'm just going to draw a wing. And just bring it out from that white. Now I'm going to outline the white slowly and carefully and pray I don't mess this up. Then taking a small pencil brush, this is my Morphe M515. Taking this single black shadow by Anastasia Beverly Hills in Noir. I'm just gonna grab some of that and go over the black part. And just kind of fade it into that white. Also going in with another Sistar Cosmetics, and this is their Glow Glitter Shine Like a Diamond in Diamond. I'm just going to take some of this on an eyeliner brush, and this is my Morphe S8. I'm just going to grab some of that and just go over top of this white. Now for lashes, I'm going to be going in with Makeup Addiction lashes, and this is in Date Night. They're kind of all over the place because I took them off, so don't judge. Why am I like this? I don't know. Now going in with mascara, I'm going to go in with Buxom's Blackest Black Mascara. And then going in with Suede, I'm just going to highlight my inner corner. For lips, I'm going to be going in with Huda Beauty's new matte Power Bullet lipstick in Payday. And this is the final look. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video and supporting my channel. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. I hope you guys like this outlined ombre liner. You obviously don't have to outline it. It makes it easier if you don't, but I just kind of wanted to switch it up. So anyway, thank you guys again for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video.